Hello everyone, thank you for joining my tutorials. I am Vikas Ghadamode. Today we are going to learn how to create land use land cover map from Landsat 8 data. So these are all the bands of Landsat 8 data. If you want to download the Landsat 8 data, we can download it from USGS Earth Explorer. So in USGS Earth Explorer, we'll click in the Earth Explorer. After that, we will go to address and places. So I belongs to Aurangabad, so I will type here Aurangabad. It's district in Maharashtra, so I will write Aurangabad here and I will press show here. So after that I will click to Aurangabad, so it will go to the place of Aurangabad. After that you can select your area as per your interest. So I am selecting this much. After that, if you want to select a particular date, you can select it from here, or particular year if you want. After that, go to data set. In data set, we'll go to Landsat. In Landsat, there is a level 1 Landsat collection 1 level 1. We'll click here and then Landsat 8 OLI operational land imagery. We'll click here and result. After that, we'll press here on footprint. It will show a particular path and row there. So if you want to download it, first we'll check a cloud cover. We need a cloud cover less than 20 for studying Landsat study. We need less than 20% cloud. So in this image you can able to see less cloud is there. So for downloading it, I will click download option. For it we need to log in first. To download this we need to log in. So I'll click on login. My account is already logged in here, so I will sign in. You can create your new account. So I will press on footprint. I am just showing you how to download for one image. You can download it from yourself or particular area. So if you want to download 2 tiles, you can download 2 tiles. Which is after that, when it will download, we'll click right click and will extract file. After extract, all the 11 bands will show here with the metadata information is there. After that, we'll go to ArcGIS and we'll open all that band. So I am taking 1 to 7 band here. So already 7 band taken here, but I am showing you how to take. So you have to select band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6 and band 7. Like that we'll select 7 band and we'll press add. So all these bands will be added here. So I am already added here, so I am cancelling it. After that we'll go to Arc toolbox. In Arc toolbox we need to go raster. It's loading here. So in data management tool there is an option raster. So 2 option is there, one raster is above and another raster is below. So we don't want raster which is above, we want raster which is below. So this raster is here, so we'll click, then we'll click on raster processing, then band composite option is there. So I will select all the 7 band one by one. Band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4. Like that all the 7 band I will select sequentially. After that I will save it in output folder. So I will create a new folder here. So new folder option is there. So I will write here as a LULC. Then I will create a geodatabase. New geodatabase I will create here. So I will store all my data in geodatabase. So LULC 2017 we are making, so we'll give name as a 2017. Then I will give name as a band composite here. So what we are doing, we are stacking all the layer together. This 7 band is there, they are different, so we combining all that 7 band into one band. So it's processing in background. So in result we can see it's in process. So our band composite is ready. So this is natural color composite. We'll delete this. So we'll go and we'll press properties. In symbology, we'll give red as a 5, green as a 4 and blue as a 3, and we are creating as a false color composite here. So from natural color composite we created a false color composite. After that, if you want a particular area you want to prepare for a LULC, so we'll create as a shape file as my study area. So I am creating shape file for the study area. I will take as a polygon and I will give geographical coordinate system, world, WGS 1984 I will select and press OK and again OK. So my shape file is created here. I will go to edit, start edit, continue. Last option is there, create feature. I will click here on create feature. After that, I will take a polygon and I will draw here. Suppose this is my study area. I want LULC map only for this area. So I will select this, save it and stop it. I will hollow this. Later on we will go to R toolbox. In R toolbox we will go to spatial analysis tool. In spatial analysis tool, extraction is there and extract by mask option is there. So in extract by mask we will select band composite which we have created, this one. Then input raster is our study area, the part we want to extract, that we are selecting as a study area, and output raster I will give as a extract study area. I will save and OK. So now it's processing. So now my extraction is ready. So this one is my study area. We'll go to properties, we'll select 543 for FCC and we'll close this. Now what we'll do, we'll right click, image classification option is there. So we'll press image classification. What we are going to do? We are going to do supervised classification. For supervised classification, we need to select some training sample manager. For training sample manager, what we'll do? We'll go to draw polygon option is here, and we'll take some pixel value here. We'll draw a polygon here. In supervised classification, we are doing pixel classification process. So I'm selecting here some residential area or some built up area where the people are living, or town area. I'm selecting some pixel value here. So here we are selecting various pixels values or spectral signature that should be associated with each class. So here I am selecting all this and I am giving name as a built up area. This is done by selecting representative sample sites of a known cover type called as a training site or areas. The computer algorithm then use the spectral signature for these training areas to classify the whole image. So first, one by one, we'll creating a different spectral signature files. For that, first we have created for the built up area. Now we are going to create for the water body. Then we'll create for the vegetation and then for barren land. Like that, we are selecting a training samples. So wherever the same pixel value will be available in the image, so that will show a particular class of area. Like that, I am selecting some pixels here and I am giving as a water body name. So wherever the same pixel value will be available in the whole image, it will show me a water body. So like that, we are selecting for the vegetation, we are selecting for the barren land. We are creating a classes. We are telling computer that this pixel value is having a for vegetation, this pixel value is having for water body. Though wherever will be the same pixel value will be available in the image, later on it will show us that class. For that, I am selecting a same training samples here one by one. So this class is for vegetation. So I am selecting some training samples for the vegetation. So I am giving this class as a vegetation. Then we'll create for barren land. Most of our area showing barren land. You can able to see this barren land. We can create class for here also. Here also a barren land. Like that, we'll create signature file for the barren land. We'll select some pixel for the barren land. So this one representing a barren land. So I'll select, I will press shift and I will give class name as a barren land. After that, what we'll do, we'll save this signature file. So for saving the signature file, we'll click create a signature file. Then we'll choose a folder where we have to save the data. So you can save it on desktop or wherever you want, but we have created a folder, so we'll save it on our folder in D drive, LULC. This one is our folder, so I am giving name as a signature and I will save. After that, I will click on classification and maximum likelihood classification option is there. So maximum likelihood classification, what we'll do, we'll delete this and we'll take here as our extracted study area. Then input signature file, the file which we have saved, we'll take it from our D drive, we just save our signature file, so that will take, and then output folder where we have to save this data. LULC final. Now our LULC map is getting ready. So you can able to see our LULC map is ready. Most of our area is covered by barren land and built up area. So what we'll do, we'll change color. 11 number is our barren land. You can able to see value here and here. Same 7 number is showing vegetation. So we'll give green color. Whatever the color you want to give, you can give, no problem. So 4 number is for water body. So I will give blue. And built up area I will give red. So like that our LULC map is ready. But if I want to calculate the percentage, how much percentage water body is covering, how much percentage my barren land is covering, how much percentage my vegetation is covering, for that what we'll do, we can calculate the area. For calculating the area, what we'll do, we'll first name it all this. For that I will right click on LULC final, open attribute table. I will add new field as a name. I will select text here and OK. After that I will start edit. I will select LULC final one. OK. Continue. So 1 number is a built up area. So I will give name here as a built up area. 2 number is our water body. 4 number is our water body. So I will give 4 as a water body. 3 number is a vegetation. 7 number is our vegetation in object 3 and value 7. So in both the table value is same. So we'll see that. And then I will save and OK. Now what we'll do, we'll convert this raster file into vector format. So this one is a raster file. We'll convert it into vector format for calculating the area. Conversion tool from raster to polygon option is there. So I'll click on raster to polygon. Input raster file is our LULC final. In field I will select as a name. Then you can able to see name here, and output raster I will give. I will save as a LULC percentage. OK. Now our raster file is converting into vector file. After converted into vector file means it is converted into polygon, and we can calculate the area of a polygon. So now our polygon is ready. So now we'll right click, open attribute table. You can able to see built up area and all that thing. We'll go to add field, and now I will give area. I will select as a double here, and OK. After that I will right click and calculate geometry option is there. Yes. For calculating area, your shapefile should be in projected format. So I am giving square kilometer here, calculating area into square kilometer. So now my area is getting ready. So here is showing area, but we want total area, means how much barren land is covering, how much vegetation is covering. For that we'll convert this file into Excel format. We'll export this all data into Excel format, then we can calculate total percentage. For that we'll select our folder, our LULC folder, and I will give name as a LULC percentage. First I will select as a dbase table here, and I will save and OK. So we'll open our Excel and we'll add this data. For that we'll go to Excel. Now I will go to file and I will browse my data. In G drive I save LULC. So here I will select as a dbase file. So this is our LULC percentage file. I will open it. So now our data is open. So here is showing area and name, two option is there. So what we'll do, we'll go to insert and pivot table option is there. I will click and press OK. After that I will select name and area here. So when I will select name, it will come into row table, and when I will select area, it will come into values. So I will copy this and I will paste here. After that we can click on fit to frame option is there, auto fit option is there. So we'll calculate the total percentage of barren land built up area. So most of our area is covering barren land, so this divided by total area will select. So now you can able to see it's 0.62%, means 62% covered by, or 63% covered by mostly barren land, 13% covered by built up area, and 0.6% covered by our vegetation, and water body is very less, it's less than 1%. So if we'll calculate the total area, we'll do sum and we'll enter. So our water body is very less. If you want to see the total percentage, we can click on percentage. So water body is less than 1%, but if you want to show 1%, you can convert barren land, you can show barren land as 62% and water body as a 1%. There is no, you can convert little bit, and then this one you can able to see most of the area is covered by barren land and built up area. There is very less vegetation and water bodies available. So this was all about the land use land cover. If you are getting any problem, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you for watching my video.